Hi guys! Okay, so here's the easiest bit of the essay to go, the conclusion. You literally just need these four things. Title of the article, the author, the outline of the contention, so basically just reword what the contention is, and then outline the arguments, and you're literally done. So here's my example. Ready? Let's flick to mine, if it'll do it. No, it doesn't want to. There we go. Alright, let me just move me down here. Okay, so here's mine. In Barry MacArthur's letter to the editor, Take Out the Dump, he contends that putting in a toxic dump site in Werribee is a foolish and dangerous decision. He argues that the dump will affect the food bowl that Victoria relies on, that this choice was made by foolish politicians, and that if this dump was to go ahead, there will be even more foolish choices to come. Okay, so here we've got my title. Now notice that it's in inverted commas instead of underlined. That's because it's the title of an article, not the title of a book. A title of the book gets underlined. A title of an article gets inverted commas. Okay, and then I've got my author. Let's put that in red. Okay, and then I have my contention. And notice that I say he contends. Okay, now one really great thing about this type of writing is that you don't have to disguise what you're doing. In fact, it's kind of encouraged that you make it very clear what you're trying to show the audience, your markup, basically, your assessment, your assessor. So feel free to use things just like he contends, the contention is, the argument is, okay? Be straightforward. That's the nice thing about this, okay? He contends that putting in a toxic dump in Werribee is a foolish and dangerous decision. So there is my contention. Easy peasy. And here are my three arguments. He argues that the dump will affect the food bowl, that this was made by foolish politicians. That's 2. And number 3, if this dump was allowed to go ahead, there would be even more foolish choices to come. Bingo, bango. There are my 3 arguments. Easy peasy. Done. Literally, that's it. Now, what I would definitely recommend once you got to your conclusion is to go back and do a really thorough proofread aloud. Do not try and proofread just in your head. You won't hear all the mistakes, you'll skim over them. But if you read it aloud to yourself, you actually do hear where you need full stops, where you need commas, where the sentence is like a little wonky and manky, and it needs fixing up. But if you do it in your head, you won't hear that and you'll miss it. So please proofread aloud, okay? It is worth it. Now, what I would like you to do, and this is part of your homework after watching this, is to go and write a conclusion for that Stickies article, so that when we get back together on Wednesday, we're all ready to go to start our assessment task together. That's about it. Hope you're having a lovely day, and I'll see you soon.